concerning what the NDC is doing in Parliament and what and how NDC are buying. Afaso se opese onka nipa bi owo man Ghana mu na no entum. Na yewe kojo Oppong Nkrumah de nkyerɛkyerɛ mu bi aba. Aye ho behia se me no nyina ye beche na yetie according to kojo Oppong Nkrumah. Ose na ano ye wo hɔ a na yete se yesi NDC amanyokuo no se omonte ase ma Bank of Ghana governor Emma Parliament and members of Parliament medin komo because omon pese the media for no ebe cover and some of beka. Asem ni nyina ne say ye nyina nim tete say Kojo Oppong Nkrumah has been always there. Awama alarm several times say to him adwuma phone na papa na oye the governor of Ghana eye no Bank of Ghana hono according to him no e de ohia ene ahokyere ene beba Ghana man so enti no opese Bank of Ghana governor no emra Parliament na ye metoto na no na omakyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm bi no mu emfa nkyerɛ Ghana for because according to Kojo Oppong Nkrumah eye ne say papa no de niema bi sie Ghana for e de Ghana man isika ntoto ye ebekɔ ahokyerem daache na wei ena Kojo Oppong Nkrumah bi sa first time ya mana kwanya and also use a different knowledge, a different manner, and or the request. No, the MPs of majority they cannot deny because a parliament and a force so almost say they have to accept. Say the Bank of Ghana governor mra na ome yi Kojo Oppong Nkrumah the questions na no. Now said the NDC for themselves some now Kojo Oppong Nkrumah the eba bontain to deal with the governor of Ghana, the Bank of Ghana no. Edienim go asiani exposures akese babeto NDC amanyoko do so no NDC majority in parliament can say omonte ase emma media encover ensem na Kojo Oppong Nkrumah baba bisa yewura governor of Bank of Ghana and Mr. Addison ensem we nti and I'm so emma MPs if the parliament will say they will never allow that one to go on. Because the intention and na menusuntia omo pese omo ne governor of Ghana no enkasane say of Bank of Ghana enkasane say omo pese Ghana for nti nsem na ekoso no nsem omo no MPP for di kan de akire oman no na da bia aye say enye nokore na mbom nokore a ewo Bank of Ghana ho no eba beto adi no o se Ghana for man enti ni won asum na omo hu say yes and this amanyoko no they are doing nothing good for the country. And this is almost your montiasia the ane, almost MPs no, omoni Shimbia at the Pisa Bank of Ghana governor. And same way Munchurch mu, and now you Kojo Oppong Nkrumah dia baba to her. Now, before we go on to the video, no, Meso say, but modern and subscribe to the channel Ras Media GH on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. Yanko nyenkonko tie video no ba na wa like na wa share na wa comment na ye hu na ya cha yanko nyenkonko tie Mahama yarga excuse or the buyer na wi a ekotie nkyerɛkyerɛ mu die ntia and this year manyoko no majority in parliament empese the governor no be babonte yanko nyenkonko tie ba sisia.
The events that occurred there pertain to whether or not anytime that the governor of the central bank appears before the House, whether it has to be a public hearing. That's the basic question. Whether anytime that the central bank governor appears before the House, it must be a public hearing. And we said that the rules were changed so that the House can invite the governor to appear not before the House in plenary, but appear before the House as a committee of the whole. That is what the rules say. Many of you have been covering this House for so many years. And you all know that apart from the ministers, all the other independent constitutional bodies that come they come and appear before the committee of the whole. And you all cover this house, and you know that when the administrator of common fund comes, have we allowed you to ever cover it? I'm asking you, journalists, do you cover the common fund administrator? Do you cover the NHRA boss? All those, and even most of the time, unless we meet and decide, when the electoral commissioner comes here, you don't cover the electoral commissioner. So the central bank governor came to answer questions posed by Oppong Nkrumah. And we said that let's do what we do for all other independent constitutional bodies, which is let us sit without the media, because that's what we do for everybody.
Yes, and to say what ye assembly ye bisa ho say Diana hanti NDC for so monpese the media ebete ensema sebio Kojo Oppong Nkrumah ekwa bisa the governor of Bank of Ghana. That is a bibi o wa omodi sie yen. There is something fishy ade bi bon ewo Bank of Ghana ho. And in tia the majority of in parliament say dabi. Se bema kwan kura na still, yeah, my media uncover, yeah, Mpesa Ghana for better the echo parliament ho. Our Bank of Ghana ho. We and I know Kojo Oppong Nkrumah echo assassin per radio. And Pono Hene Ebisano said, DNA see an amenusuntia and this for sure mama the media uncover Sama Ukwa Bisa Bank of Ghana. Yenti video no you are besan aba studio
na say yet we
right now what you unsa Edom Kuma no matwem ho kakra wo man imra hye fi say mo ntra ho bi mo twem mo excuse mo ho kakra bra BoG pani e bai me patcho nyabotre na workers true me patcho den see ya mo twem ho kakra
I say who said nankofo mi no bi ku abisa say enu anwume den see ye me file questions me answer. Emma governor say on be answer. Parliament. Questions no me file in April. April na me file questions no.
Okay.
I'm in charge of the current me file questions no in April. Because as at the end of March no. Na was a January February March quarter 1. Na 2025 Bank of Ghana for accounts I ready. I was a finance minister de ba parliament 1 February. So ja omodoso to 2 million national Mr. Speaker your their numbers ni omodia into account no 1 February they come Ataisa or NDC MP na Ataisa frefre NDC fo a omonya MP fo kra e kan ho no be good parliament e be a press conference say for the first time in the history of Ghana political party NDC omo ba be announce Bank of Ghana results e been see that professional institution independent body like the central bank omo politicians say into omo be announce Bank of Ghana account mo nyina mo hwe o TV so and on be din troche Ghana for say obi ka chere say Bank of Ghana aboka kese amemfio na kan crampo no 15 billion pe a case ombuboa 34 billion page 1 ye 15 billion page 2 ye 19 billion o ka bomu 34 billion
7.3 asase pono no
nti sa e kana omo aboato ho no emayen ye be press conference ni kwesi ada be kirem said omo ye na entro ni propaganda ni sa settings we ya no moye eni ebie mu kire Ghana fo nyina say kan ye 34 billion say we Bank of Ghana to kura be da 96 billion ai ba be chama me no na etua no mo pese obi hu ti omo di me ka ba be say
oba ya 2 years kura ma ye
1 year pe 2025 accounts pe na dient
me ma me Rose urkaya me ma akwa ba ye pa
ti asa aka no aba no yen san koye chi 2025 yen ye be bom kokose o mu ye ni ma bi o Bank of Ghana where the can beba no mu ye ni say Ghana economy ni bibia nsesan de o mu ye ni so mo pompe dollars if free your reserves ni mu no mo pompe and na domestic gold purchase program a year about me ade buy a eboa ma yenya dollars na e wo se nkomo de build your reserves no o mo pompe hwe nsesan wo Ghanaian economy ni mu number 2 inflation no mo se o mo konde o mo ye ni so ma prepare ska na ska no prepare wi a Bank of Ghana tuaka into come you no bom wi a on be boka who kai say 2025 ye kan ya omo di intro di attempts in the end of year now accounts no ba March no and I'm throw questions come our governor in fact before then no na obekaya ma request say governor no ne gold board omumra na yem probu on satam na kan 7 billion majority side no block here say there be am omumba iwie eche no Bank of Ghana be tell to say can be do 9.6 billion okay Patrick Bama edit motion so call say omaton apart from that no omaton Ghana gold half gold 50 independence time bedu 2024 December ayi jama 30 tons omaton half one ma to me omuton ma hwan because say no omo say omo san akoto gold no ti hwan no to gold no fofofo a na oton aman aboden eno so omo say dey be omo block it intimidate another rule and I made set questions no na sa rule no use so a e o say governor no throw answers no de brew ansa no waba inti governor na throw answers na ba you may me copy the day before.
Yama written answers.
Yama me written answers.
Okay.
Emrano chere say your committee meeting na say yishia. Me the questions no buy no. Maybe say no questions no. The written answers no. Obekan ya chere yin. Question answer ba could be o ma me won kwan say maybe say 3 follow-up questions. Member bia so bet maybe say 1 follow-up question. Leader dey to maybe say 5.
Okay.
For the 3 questions ni na ye be no. Nti wa churaba. Ye committee ni akwa akobisa. Majority for no who answers are what throw a question so I'm say there be media impie.
Hey.
Yeah. Because someone say answer, you see, governor no be the throw. On your politician or a technocrat or a monetary economist. On any team, you know, Zach, Matilda, directors are who you know, your professionals, be the throw. Monan trone propaganda no mope. Ndi Baba Jama say Ojuan Fitakra kase tuntum. Mona no ya mu stock in trade. Or no a professional. To watch the answers about ya serve me copy. Question number 629, question number 630, question number 631. Me tweety copies cry me did say will producers be to me a copy or me to me yama. Omu answers in the perom say Debbie. Yam pam media no. If for almost 1 hour no ma pam media be jina bontin ya no share them ho say mumma media no mra back. Almost say Debbie na omo decide say media name by hona afenyo bisa Clark say na Clark why na ba to me say empa media no because you decide empo at best afini here discuss it now rules no order 2661 let's say committee meetings a public hearing say committee meeting a public hearing na say bibinti
but say committee no ho kwan so make say da bi ye ma ne nkwa abonten yenko be she kukom na ya yemi
Mamin can rule in order 2661 or say proceedings of a committee shall be held in public except otherwise determined by the committee. Inti se bibinti committee no susu se eni se public no etia e ho na o se committee na dwendwen ho na decide
nti no kra no members na we decide say
nti e ba ni sign na committee ni yentena asipo a Roxanne Nelson Dafia mekwaso no de ntumi apamo media na free ho me say me sorry dina me na so ka say mo amma media na mba speculation e be koso wa bonten no enye e be create impression say bibi koso wa Bank of Ghana ho a entwe yie nti you are doing the Bank of Ghana more harm than good by sacking the media. I'm saying that I'm not this. In fact, at the point I got so I say we have taken a decision. See. Tehona yes we decided say more pam media no na mo pese Ghana for ebetia. We choose to side with the media and the republic than to sit here with you and do this. In any case, initial answers no more publish it.
Then
I'm hide follow-ups no. And also na mo pese e bebisa. Nti se mo maye nye exercise no transparently dia. Me na me de me questions by. Me ma obi to me so mbisa me questions. Me no questions about me. Me participate in the process. Of course ni na I say participate in the process. And so we exited. And your core press no ko catch press and said, "Dear Kosuni, we will be betraying the public and the media if you condone the NDC for you because there's no basis to hold this in camera." Yes, there have been a number of occasions under these new standing orders are closed meeting. And that District Assembly's Common Fund Administrator by or the formula no ba say me pese me ma assembly we see because we no say be escafosi in wo ehianfosi in wo nipa say in wo ne keka oni ade na modwen ho say obi be so ya be ka say no a say nipa no so a say na nipa do so we for say ni ade no di agreed in papa be in the country Into you decided say you better no indoors. You are report no you the ababonting. Where your questions there be a question time to ministers near the I know openly. I'm say there be that.
But right, Obeka say answers no be very sensitive information. Any kind say a call out a band is in the Becassa Chinchinachi, yen the public. Because it's
watch us away or henny. Who says a day be a sensitive
answers in Libya.
Good. 7.3. Saying yes, if you prepare na governor start a man says Anamibwa. Ubi baby sa question. Ansana. So obi bisa question. Them po question no. Then you disallow question no.
Put me cast with the miniano.
Mr. Speaker, bet to me I can't. And every time you see a question, back at say this question is disallowed. Me money niano.
Okay.
AC debia. It why they make it argument say answer nibi. Sensitive. Not answer no my. So obi bisa question not answer ni sensitive. Or no best signal Mr. Speaker say answer we say ebia you call in another session I meet me amasa answer. So there's no basis for which I obeka say adiena ye babe no yen kata so ne mpamu media infrim say no akoye intino say we create a lot more speculation around the central bank
that somebody BBC
and then articles ni bia make kan kofo started case and just figures now mo Bank of Ghana ho no be brinya no kore
right
Bank of Ghana doesn't need this. They don't need this. Now Mahama Yarigay 2024 na udi anim a letter a reporting Governor Addison Emma OSP na satam na unim sensitivity 2025 ye buy who na okofre governor Siama Yara betna committee of the whole and central phone na o say my information about Bank of Ghana dino contract and who can there yam protest it because the standing order say yanka say any close hearing that and then there who say or kasa sidi ni betumi him na den amudi ye sidi ni nti or kasa sidi ni betumi
right and when I me ba me Ghana for ntie nsem wa Mahama Yarga e kai
it must be a public hearing. And we said that the rules were changed so that the House can invite the governor to appear not before the House in plenary, but appear before the House as a committee of the whole. That is what the rules say. Many of you have been covering this house for so many years. And you all know that apart from the ministers, all the other independent constitutional bodies that come, they come and appear before the committee of the whole. And you all cover this house, and you know that when the administrator of Common Fund comes, have we allowed you to ever cover it? I'm asking you journalists, do you cover the Common Fund administrator? Do you cover the NHRA boss? All those, and even most of the time, unless we meet and decide, when the electoral commissioner comes here, you don't cover the electoral commissioner. So the central bank governor came to answer questions posed by Oppong Nkrumah, and we said that let's do what we do for all other independent constitutional bodies, which is
right. Practice no at saying Zampan say EC boss baho.
I know na maka actually your order 2661. You see, almost share that some person confusing the old standing orders with the new one. From the 7th of January 2024, you issue new standing orders.
Okay.
Standing orders Nankasa dated 7th of January 2024. Under the new standing orders, this is what pertains. And under the new standing orders, say your friend is saying head of an independent constitutional body, EBA parliament, or say proceedings of a committee shall be held in public, except otherwise determined by the committee. Into the norm, and I say, be all over radio, TV, and say, in fact, no pay say, Emrane say, yen Emrebian Casamrana Macacho, Biobecas Emrane say, yen was say you could decide, and now say, catches on Kutis Amran in me, two natural see, Emrani 2661, or say a public hearing. Emu BBT public hearing now, would not be easy. Until we didn't, I must say. And they couldn't offer any cogent reason. No one say, "Omona sebe omodo so much decide."
Mama Yariga say probably stability of the city. City no itimi agina no. Formation bi o kwa bonten na ya nsem trofo ko trotro we ko kan ho asem a emma city no ahode ni ntimi. Na me patro no kre.
Sini who because when you say Bank of Ghana every 2 months omo monetary policy committee meeting. Omo wia omo press conference. Emma central for any members of parliament could be a question. Now, how no to me is a question be? So press conference na live on TV, so no to me is a question be. This argument say BB is sensitive about the city, so I'm never. Now, ya to about mine as the representatives of the people. Ye BB is a question. And no the question be or an answer be or sensitive. I bet me I'm city na him. Now then I'm the city nintia. Musro say you be a question be a. Ebe him no then amudi yesidi no no kresa yen ye data no unse me nkra data me nkasa
yes
me tumre ana ma kire osie ma me kire trick baako question number 1 no ebisa om say enfa no munya dollar ne fi pompe governor no wendi tro ne answer de buy no o say August 2024 ena Ghana aban ema omu fi ase use the friend domestic gold purchase program. A fa kwan foforo so dinya dollars. Sa dollars no eno no mo pompe gu market no so. Uni ma se kire.
Dabi.
Number 1 bibi ansesa Ghana economy ni mo. Ti pumping na me ka kire o April 2025 no governor na confirm. Number 2 or say August 2024 domestic gold purchase program na no na de dollar na ba. August 2024 na ho na wa bem.
NPP.
One of this domestic gold purchase program.
NPP.
Yura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. NDC phone him say governor no be kasa pe na chese wate omto. Ba magana phone nyina hu say sa propaganda ni na da omo yese na dollar na ye na gold board ni wa entro. August 2024 domestic gold purchase program aye fi ase eno na omo nya dollar. Na dollar no omo pompe. There's another question. Na omunim say naturally flowing from this. Say na domestic gold purchase program no near they build the reserves. Say na mum build the reserves ni bi na mo pompe gu market no so a. Reserve build up no.
You be anything.
Because reserve no eye wo ban bo. Na sem bi to a wo de no abo ban. Say na mudi ni na etwa manu mu a. Reserve build up na be de. Onim say reserves no so wate by be 2 billion. Omo last data ukohwe last part Excel sheet na uko compare bo se swat be 2 billion omo nim se be bisa ni na te ne da bi pam no twa no eno ani mache no omo ma governor ni be ya no e bisa ni say from time am start pumping no e besi ne ahina mo pompe answer governor ni tro ba ni say up until 31st December 2025 no ma pump $10 billion.
Answer the buy no.
What if you Ghana make no $10 billion. You call IMF no nim sika
3 billion.
You call 3 billion. Ubo hu miensa krampo a ibika. Cause ubo hu miensa 9 billion. O ma pump Ghana sika $10 billion.
So the be city ne benya hoden.
Na ya ka say economy na sesa. Na me wi a mekira woni nsunsun so omo nim se ebebisa ne se date be na boy no 31st December into 50 January base in no so 50 January 2026 base in na ahe na modi account no ho say yen data ni na ye wo ye hwe data no omo person ba be ya no because we are no be bebisa se bo nti be 15 billion in na ne nkwala ye ni adwuma yi enka ye ntumi nye bibi omo nim se nkwala ne bebisa question no nti mani bibisa ena Dr. Baumia enya credit ye mani bibisa no obi ani abi hu say so far ne apompo 10 billion na this year kra ne asan ye bi another 5 so far na mponka seska no enka ko reserve mu anka bi a betumi grow sovereign wealth fund na ya leverage edi enya sika man kwala yi enya adwuma ye mani bibisa nti ene ye ni Oppong Nkrumah atem ye nkeka bi nkyere no ano pese ba ko TV so didi matem sa me video no ya no di matem ho enka hui
right and then beba abanya wo ya we say ne mabunu ni adwuma ye ahokyere ba krom na obenya $10 billion na oben na dwen say me mfa mie nnuma me mama bu nya dwuma nye me the best take and I'm the best supporto me city am a city anya hoden e den be ba aban bi be sa
aban obeye sa no o gidie say Ghana for no wa refree nti die hia ne se wonya bibi kakra de akata o mani so na wa prevent say o mbe hu no kre no na wa settings kakra kire o sa ban no ono di juma o kan ono na wo ka say governor be question no say there be ma governor be ya no unim say ne NDPC for a program a release their friend 2025 annual progress report omo release here no omo say ampeniampa economy na grow 6% emo unemployment e kosoro asem we wo kai say me be kan no be 2 months ago say youth unemployment edu 32.4% e kosoro enkran krampo de e almost 50% intin nkran wo hia nkwala menu bia ba ko nyadwo 1 out of every 2 youth you meet in Accra, in the greater Accra region, are unemployed. Because who data no Ghana Statistical Service data set mo, labor market statistics. And then NDPC for the abeka total progress no more catch up and say, sa krokro de John adanko dadadre economy na mo ye na mo penti enim so akiri tokru da ho no asa abo akese bi eja na yesro no aye yi dindin inside peche no ne nsunsun so woni say unemployment no
kwane be koso
na no metimi akire odi nti e basa baba we on pese sa no kra ne be ka on pese e biti nti na me bisa o say NDC chairman NDC women's organizer me come what say aban so far wajizika 650 billion cedis in 2 years. So on fenye ni hia ni nyina
abana beka se fachamiyo abana beka se ni bi no de ye kwan nkran ye kokuma se em se okura benya bi wo constituency e kwan ne befa ho enye bia value chain
wako fasem foforo kraba wo de meba me say yama na 650 billion yama na 650 billion we ya wo agenda 133 no mo kan one job 3 wo ba no wenye bia na wo fase no wenye bia na nti wo mo de wo sekan idwananka say ohene wo say omo say omo ye expressway expressway no
sure ye fa omo e be fa omo the value chain ya fa obi ono so contractor no be fa man for
auditor general say omo spend this car hin so far on the expressway no anopay na won kratam auditor general report or buy or so omo spend it mpacho check figure I don't want to get the figure wrong. Auditor General kan na nkofo start ka say soldier for your mo dokwan ho mo say ye ma 100 million po e kwan so amusi mu ye say ewura mu ba bi na mo clear say mo de be kwan ye hu kwan o ba bi a e ba ne say na mo spend say sika we nyina Auditor General a report say sika no ye hu no e kwan no ba bi a udum say we controller and accountant general ba be release ka say abe release statement say o say scan e wo omo ho na omo de tabo no atoso
scan e mfa mo no
sika na Auditor General say ono audit ye ne sika no ko soldier for no so omo nsan kan 100 million po wu krom kwan na ho mimi krom kwan na ye hu kwan no wo be wanom the video bi aba so o ma ye 30% of the road 40% of the road so bi hu kwan Auditor General say pacho de ya check figure na mami ahi billion and then the controller and accountant general be issue statement say sika no om de tabono to so omo bo ho ban omo bo ho ban na yen spend this sika no someone who there e koso no se man se boy ase ha inti anu economy a sabre yetim inti say o ka chem say yes you a value chain afi no omo be ba me de bia send me the information about me catch us say me kana woni ni a ebe ba ko pe na mebu se wo ma me ewu na wo se wada ebe bosses obia be ko no ma me ho
okodidi
obia kodidi ho na abo se woni fun na dadan pem e ho na se say yetimi
right dia abai ya ne setambia no obe pompi sika gum na dia so sidi no aye sustainable
say ebe sustainable o say abre bia ban no nya gold ne boyfo na okoton no high na ode aba be Jose market no gold no say ubisa ne say galamsey gold no to ana say gold papa no to a also ntumi distinguish between galamsey gold and gold papa. And to say the first cost of they are buying here no any wunsu a ni nyina galamsey oka say it me the 1 week figure what na so 1.5 years equal 2 years I say wunsu nyina to the extent say lake bosomotwe ana obi enko ho no na say den story na buy pacha den story na buy
ye too good.
yes kofu to galamsey ben ho em say asokwa agenda 111 no say himfa
ano kra ya galamsey na ben agenda 1 akaka kra bi na achino
no akufo na 1.5 years into NDC government baby na yenye galamsey po ne omo ye ho
adansi asokwa
me no hwe TV Joy News for ekoye documentary HDC for a omo gisika mankofo koye galamsey o mampani anka njere o be investigate ekosi say nti the first course ne say galamsey na tiatisi ye call Jubilee House mampani say saban ne kra benya ho mfaso say first na nkofo ne fedi nti say saban ne kra benya ho mfaso enkenye bad sa so ahunipa eno ne the first cost. But the second cost, they say, you saw more ton low, no more ton high. Rather, no more ton high, no more ton low. Into at the eka, ena abba Bank of Ghana. Ena Bank of Ghana, be catch so no car ball who 9.6 billion last year. Gold board, so no the wire profit.
Right now, and now this if one say gold board for nama, your economy not stable.
Governor, is your mobile. And only the one person governor by answer. The rating answer or the buy or say a domestic gold purchase program. Governor ni say omoboa omotono high no ma beton low nti eka 9.6 billion na beda Bank of Ghana na governor ni say onye bio o mom says can bio nti say oni de o mai omo yi ka na fi o de akwa akọhye baby foforo yen ni baby omde kwa akọhye e ba be ka kire mo ye twen pa say omde ka na akọhye o de o mai fit January bi sa time baby omde ko hye ni nim pa na e ba be ka emobi ehun say omo boa hold on, this a cano, a hold on, the cano. And only the second cost. Number 3. And then because of the era Trump all year around the world, Nintino. Ubi and Kosi Kakesi Bia, and instead so this cano be to them no. Or the koto gold, not the abeto. Into demand for gold arise, into ama gold prices cost. No China era Trump, a giant That's a gold is no longer a safe haven commodity. That's a good price in baby one. Nti you bet to me akoso idea ye na. Our bank you bet to me take advantage na ya fix the real concerning issues about your foreign exchange market. Abani say obeto say euro about me the domestic gold purchase program aba. Punya forex fuel. Pompe mamenko. Eno na oye. Na euro about me nyankopon be hira no. Because crisis nearby and one and now will take advantage of the new ideas. And we go through some of the ideas are crisis moments or dream more or they solve problems radically. Only the angel cover as a plan by ne papa wu. Nani papa here moja. E was Tamale Teaching Hospital. And that can story in the chairman, none any nata tennis you. Moja ne binyo to ne papa. Dream say and then a bit me I been to be so china obi baby she baby or waka no here moja na yen kase moja nti obehwere ne nkwa ti da okuhia nkwala no Silicon Valley o mso mutumi ezi plan no se me hia mo Ghana mo mfa mo fidi mra na obi she kura bia se no wo ka no na yen see Central Medical Stores or na baby yetumi to drone within minutes. Edi edro akoma na nkwa. Only thousands of people are save life. I can't obey propaganda say the cheche condom na yinti yen closing it down, close it down zip line. Only ni be since then. Anke betumi adwo nkwa. Abusua bi nipa na nkokoba e de aduane ba ma obi nya bidi. Ya hwere no because obi the politics are cancel such an innovative policy. You're about me ya or my head the limbs by now district hospital back when you transfer work another one. Ubedu now medical records wo. Inti ye ko free any file, ye ko ye card, ye ko any file near the end. Ye chip our district hospitals. akando buy
Ochum.
there be watch they say ukwa yes your friend saying ukado when afini be go back to square one because of politics the permanent be this
right medas but answer me jamu akono ka bibi say one out question ko ye for some ma ho kwa ma ni hia no a ma jeme question
I said the bobo na etutrase ma buy me anam nim bo buy
ma cheme bo right so what next we jam na kasa
baby say in rules ni nim rules no me kai tell say you try first two no mo block here tini use we a ebe man the access number you be find it an alternate route no kra ne be daddy fantifo baby almost say wo de to nsuo ni na ohum so say ohum so wan hum so e be pie
okay
na suban wo eti say nyinsay undumi vinci no kra no eti say nyinsay undumi
be daddy one day
be daddy
right Mercy honorable Kojo Oppong Nkrumah Ghana 40 MPP 40 finally
say nyame adom em say aba no ya to bebre abedu regional level ba ko mienu bi anko ye party atwam say omonkoto no foforo iwi a beba national ya ba bi wi national no there mesrem MPP for and say your party no was a ye okuden a ye ko expose niema enko yi wa ban mu ntra ban we di nyina okuden a ye ko policy committees ye chichire alternative policy propositions a ebema enyuma ene Ghana sikasem akonanim no se ya ma party no ho anya akono a ebe ye kwa pacho timi ebe ye kwa nti o se party no ho akono sem no ehia obia su ene ban a ensem fata e ma party no ho nya akono no so wo mbia o se ujai
107.3
ora kufo ka kire se be ye se wo be ye cleaner e wo party wa ba mu since wo be general secretary na party to position yeti we ya enwumre ya me be akola ba ko send me message o so what is almost send the message for recruitment near there ohia boafo am say bo baby eti
ohia no bio
baby eti o party wa ban mu ani man kitten bi wo ho a sebi wo frɛ pani bi obetumi aboa wo ho yeti fie me nya bi na maboa wo nti mu ma party no ho akono sem na ehia nyina na su ni ban a ye da na die ma party no ho nya akono no ye na party no ho ya akono na Ghana fo ehu se nkofo emranti ombom humbode yemfa tumi nhye yewura ba omiansa na adoma kyede anyankopon de ache no otumi dia so hwe ni policy baako na ne nkofo yididi hui omo de nkokon nketinketi na omo se
omari no
omo de 24 hour economy na
atonsu
ba omia policy baako na omo didi hui se moma ye party no ya akono na se Ghana fo ehu no mobo se papa ya bre papa nyankopon aso no da pa ne ma no opportunity no mesomo a omo ebete na so pam ama opportunity ma ya besom magana ho aye akono
yes enti yenwa Kojo Oppong Nkrumah enchirechiremu a ode eba ye eno no na ye bekoso ana yasen awura Kojo Oppong Nkrumah ne nsem na ode ba ye no mu ni nyira ne se
$10 billion
ye besan awuram na yetie yenwa Kojo Oppong Nkrumah ne nsem na ode ebeja ye no mu na de wo ho de to aso say Kojo Oppong Nkrumah expose NDC on a hidden agenda bia omode ashase manipulate the people in the country same way and Kojo Oppong Nkrumah up asheda transe atwetwe ni nyina na ode bra ye sabre we mu enti enkone nkonkotie die enti a NDC aban aye na adwene se obeche Ghana fo nyina Ghana ni bi obekasa bi obeche no yenkone nkonkotie. The main reason why the arresting is always going on. Yet video no we are said the BBS in a way here na edini na abana. Me den check say ma mi akwasi asamoa me rose
ni mumra na dentina ye chi obi a ye kase ye nkoma ne bi na bi na ye punishment ana
there be so we first of all Ghana constitution no now be Criminal and Other Offences Act. Now be your friend is saying Criminal Procedure Act na miensani na echira ofapem na nkasa se aban susu se ono wasem nyese obi no wasem aban. That's the difference between criminal law and civil procedure.
Okay.
Sa aban no wasem no ye crime na chese why bibi eti aban. for example you say yɛnkum nipa sɛ wokum obi a ɛnyɛ nipa a wokum no na wo ne n'anya asɛm wo ne aban n'anya asɛm ɛno yɛ different from say bi a wafa obi adeɛ wofa obi adeɛ a yɛ civil anaasɛ in fact sɛ wofa obi adeɛ na sɛ yɛade no sɛ woawia a ɛno deɛ wo ne aban na ɛnya asɛm ba sɛ bi a wo ne obi yɛ contract anko yie a ɛno yɛ civil matter okay
ana ntɔkwa bi aba ne obi ntam
ɛno kora mpo no yɛ wo ne fa bi a ɛyɛ criminal sɛ wode wo sa kɔbɔbɔ obi a na biribi a yɛwɔ assault ɛwɔ mu okay na sɛ aban ne wonya asɛm a aban no deɛ di kan no deɛ ɔsɛ ɔyɛ ne sɛ ɔyɛ nhwehwɛ mu ehunu sɛ deɛ osusu sɛ wayɛ no soso ampa sɛ wayɛ anaa na wayɛ a etia mmara anaa sɛ aban no susu no hu sɛ ampa wayɛ etia mmara a deɛ ɔsɛ ɔyɛ ne sɛ ɔkɔbɔ ɔkɔ adu wɔ court mpɛn pii no sɛ aban ɛrehwehwɛ wo na sɛ ɔnya wo a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔkyew so obɛnya wo a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔto nsa frɛ wo nti ɛfɛ no invitation wobɛ invite so ɔsomasi bra na yɛhwehwɛ asɛm bi mu ɔbɛba Oba be na no be bisa no question oba be in fact opekra onyina no opekra bisa no questions 3000 budin because constitution say our right not to self incriminate okay wo to nsa frɛ no na wo ye ohwehwɛ mu wie na wo feel say wanya enyina so a wo de ne be court a ye de ne court ko bon ko adu ye nka se kye no by force na fa ne ship in fact you will be in criminal law a friend in criminal summons ye nhwehwɛmu ni wie ni ehu sɛ ebia ade na wa ye ne ti amra ye betumi ama okrata sɛ saada we hia ye wɔ court ne mo kwadu ehia sɛ ye be kyew dendenden de wakɔ na Ghana no titru sa ban we no ɔma ye sɛ ɔmo weaponize ɔmo use emra na sɛ weapon nti baabi ehia kra sɛ ye be kyew no ɔsɛ o ma kyew ɔkyew kra wie a in fact sɛ wohwɛ emrani mu a sɛ bi pona sɛ nka onyaw enti wachewa emrani sɛ ɔchewa within 48 hours ɔno ankasa to me ma police inquiry bail
okay
enti to the be self recognizance one kasa udin mu ni ama bail to the be to me kofa obi ba na ɔba be gyina mu ama so we mo hwehwɛ na ye be hu no so ɔno ankasa na munya na me ɔsomasi ana ɔbenten mo to nsa frɛ me a metumi ede naba me say me de nkɔfo akɔ police institutions a ye ne hwɛ ma obi be ma ni bail bi wo crampa institution to me release ne ma o so lawyer ene one ne nko eda me hia no no me frɛw na fa ne bra we de omo ye ne se de hia se be chew kra ne achew ye chew kra wi a bail no kra no ye ma ye twen 48 hours ne be so no ne ma bail twitwiri di eda so se kofa ayi de ben anase obi owo de ben na omra mbegina mu ma o to de bi asem we hia krampo se asem we bi asem no kra ye kawi a e ka keke ne be ball no omtumi ka se oh ye ma bail a obedwane nti ye mfa no nkonkoto BNI asem no kra ye kawi kra na se wudi fo a dem fa wontumo ye be ball ka keke because misdemeanor
okay boni e keto bi no ye be ball ka but aban we ndi o ye ne se or weaponize state institutions no nti na nsen se wahwa ade ehia se achi obi me fa miracles de enye mfato otene ba bi na afre ne se obi aka asem ato so nti umbe yi na no no ba e be yi na no na so okay onko na ohia na abefre no amfre na no tu kwan kwa abotire mimi nda nwumre oba obedu airport odu ya immigration force yoko force ye nchew nti omo che no wahwe miracles ho nketinketi na omo che no share ka mu e de ko to yoko Saturday Sunday wo abra mu nim se Saturday mu nya adwuma Sunday mu nya adwuma nti nya de amobe interrogate ni bia mu de ko to mu Saturday Sunday de Monday de a no ma be issue statement say omo hwehwe 55 million cedi asem bi mu na accountant bi kura ka na accountant na start itu ane de ti ye Monday omo yin no Tuesday no and bill treat dia on dia to no so no 24 year ho krata on money bill miracle by na ebisa no say ti wo coin dey 55 million asem no come say o say o enyampo bia ne me kan 55 million asem bia me coin no omni me di nkomo bia about say 5 million contract bia ye de man obi eno na o mo bisa me ho asem ti dey no be trust that statement because o mo weaponize state institutions say miracles kasa dodo yen say o ma catch them say next week o mbechi ye MP baako because ye kasa dodo o mambo mama ne say
o ma na say nyina ye o namfo on the other side ye o namfo system
and to be anim say we are now
ye de ye nim esi afreme because o say ye kasa dodo adan na ye aban ne hu dede say because omo pese obi abekasa na mame nka o studio na meka cho say aban we opese oka obi a kasa bo ahye ne yam wa start with chief justice o de akofa MPs so ntim for jo mo ne ade o chichire ba o de aba centrofo so ne ade afi ordinary members of the society or chichiriba because of agenda bi we chiri a opese e bedru ho no na be me bi ani kromo tumi kasa into o chichiriba and they say yes a young lady bi okoke kan sem bi a e bia ase film kakra wa TikTok yes 1 year ama no 1 year yes okodu court kra no ni lawyer and now lawyer dimika be gina na chi say obegina ha my lord first day no oni lawyer nti ono ade amukeka no ntiase ti ene me lawyer ma ba nti yen starting foforo ni taking the plea foforo judge ne se ontie.
But critics will fear no muti and no more share now. Omeka say state institutions na ye na djuma. Na den ye dey asha NDC abai.
Any state institutions be na ye o madjuma. Because so far you kwa nipa ote no or a state institution. Obi anim no ye political actor ban we buy no appointing no court na ho. Abra na mamiti wa ye police officer. What is this animal we be see? We are a political actor, and yet not cotton. Until say you yes animal we are state institution a juma. Any state institution a juma. And sana secondly, a tory bukra police for CID for say. Answer no be ni mebino. Utieti enkomo and this impending for AD the omo church or social media and keka ona. Utumu directly say omo operate. Here abronye di say yen ne lawyers. Ready a ekoso utieti nkomo a ndc mpanin for edi openly on TV ni radio ni ade a wan na akọ da ne say ade ne state institution adwuma obvious omo weaponize law enforcement agencies no omo use as weapon because one person omo ka obia kasabo ahye ne yam asem we maka say one because of agenda bia omo de ba on pese sa time na beso na ben be ani
agenda ben no mo de ba woni Ghana for
obvious ya can be 2-3 times na Ghana for na say you mama catch am say mo wa free nti to be asem yetumi catch am direct but mo be fi omo work towards a third term agenda for era John Dramani Mahama
just start come am for no atum
nti e ka obia no atum so that by the time wa ombe chichiri be wie ebe ye yi nyankoma de ompese om ye ni na wie no na be me bia ni krumo kasa ye. That's what they are working towards, and that is one of the reasons for which they are silencing all dissenting voices in this republic.
But constitution emma ho kwan so betimi akosa term no
constitution no that's a constitution you want to interpret it. One interpret it. Supreme Court na interpret it. Sabre ya me no kase omo the 3 applications akọ Supreme Court 3 say Supreme Court enchire mu say obetumi akote term. Fantifo be bisa say one tell wa na de won blow. Enti ade no omo chichire ba, and for it to get there no I will say a silence all dissenting voices in this republic. And this will be a can by no and bonny. Yeah, come back to those days of the culture of silence where ukasa wi a unim so obedu fie na unnu fie. Na the entire yen still ye kasa ne say so utifie na fu se mfa wo ho a ye de ye obi wi a wo ye de beba wo so enti udin mu e na ye konsa ntokwa we say suppression of all dissenting voices in this republic say ye nka ban ho asem bono ka ban ho asem boni a ida se nkwala ne be di watem ana ye bema bie na fo abedi wachi ana yokufo abedi wachi ana say no enya de ma dodo adwinkyere amamu efre ne democracy no economy enu nti e wo se hi obi asofo a etia sorry dem a abribe o mampani ba na bebu nkotodwe na obodo omunsa egunu so bo mpa ma no say o mampani we de openyankopon no are they telling us said the ekoso no omo nkan news ni bia na omo nte 7.3 civil society mpanimfo ya ewo krom ha ya say wo de fancy politician for na nya nka civil society for mpanimfo amoya research ni ade nka mo kasa yetie no nti o mpese o kasa news e ko be omo nte academia professors ahodo wa ha say no omo nte ana but the ekoso no obi ani tua ti mo de mo koso na yanka obi a kasa bo anhye ne yem insunsanso ne say ye democracy no every democracy obi pese o chihye ne yem ne say no mo start you ukasani atram. One of the first things is that they kill freedom of expression. Senya de obi abetumi a kire na adwen a na ban no e bi bone kra ube den de aba bontin ama obi ate na obi mpo e bi aka se no aban we se o se sesa no That's where they start. They suppress all dissenting voices. Semot na oye hwehan obi aye din na so mo koso say wo kasa o TikTok yakomo bi ebi asem na nipa ne kan ne krampo no asefem. But fato to dia NDC vompany for kind times. Anyom no mka so akufo ado krampo no ti play mu a ohwe for mu nkofo nkum akufo ado man. Manti Nkrumah leading NDC members no more to nyom ne ade. And then man can about Dr. Baumia obi anim say Dr. Baumia ye kremoni ne ade Dr. Baumia
Preko
or you Preko or no munsa or ye say ne ade o te say ye koche o mu bi ma 1 year
Dabi.
But we no my so more weaponize emrano e dia silence all dissenting voices. President of the Republic come to me in kan kire say on kind news. Ana opeso ka kire say on kind news.
It's on the shechiri mo yes.
They say opeso ka kire say on o de yemfa ne say nye on no shechiri.
Okay.
On kind news. Inti onte ye. What are you talking? First lady Nkrumah on kind news. Vice President Professor Ina Najin Opokuajima on kind news. Inti onte ye. Say young girl bi akokasa o TikTok ma yamano 1 year. And opeso ye see no evil, hear no evil. Enti media ohene masama me can say there's a grand agenda or mochichiriba.
Okay.
For it to succeed, now we say silence every voice. Unim say yen sebe ya quiet to say you know ye hunu bibia yen kan ye start kan sem na infitiase na say we the opposition but so far nsem ya kan mabet na studio ya discussing nyina no man 6 months man 3 months bo say ebem. Me sure say me be so obe frame say ono obe time studio be kan sem we say. Right. Ya chichiriba.
Oh yeah, mrashibidwani one say crystal blower. I shake you. I shake you.
Oh, and shake me because NDC, almost PNDC mune buy. And then Kwalana Gen Z is na ba no munim PNDC. PNDC, any NDC omsubayani. Omsubayani abra PNDC ba first no. Uti mpanimfo na wa around that time na. Uton ade odwam. Ni abecho. Na sojafo we brimu because you say why bibia PNDC for mpanimfo no eni nyeden enye so. PNDC apenso na ye wokrom ha judges miensa e court na court eye o madwuma ye kochi o manaju de siom kukun om kohye om bodies na me na ye adom na nsuo togu so a obi ko hu ye ba ko na abofra etua nanufu a o ma nanufu ye kochi no kukun no and someone akoso with PNDC in times past no and then kwala ya be mu nyina mo access to the internet and yes say you would bo enyum keke Google the history of the PNDC. Who Google abe say to trust someone akoso yi a PNDC and o me P ne fie nim and then some friend NDC suban nsesan the same thing na omo say who kaya ba kosemo anke nye say ahokyere ba economy ni mu just before the year your friend is saying 1992 89 company ade buy a pray emwa as one of the conditions ye dey share say go back to democracy and democracy can be new because they are not Democrats, they are not interested in democracy. To party needing national democracy and yet democracy they are not the party no leader of the party be catch them so no they were choose to say Atamils and the successor. Swedro declaration Munkai. There's no democracy in that party. And the parliament say assembly and discuss say there be or decide the NRA say yeah be a meeting committee of the whole. I will say decide say kwan be na be fa so I meeting no. Before I bet na say kra no mo ma pam media na free ho.
Say na say dem hu kra nim fa so o
ma say mo decide say any say media no cover. Afanyoma can bisa clerk to parliament say why any decide here and na why any my instruction say media nim pie. Clerk and son Roxanne Nelson da fia mekwa ne sorry here. No so no o pam media no.
Hey.
Yes. Me can nada.
And his capacity as well.
So no pam media ni on ti ase no nkoshepo. So it's the PNDC behavior.
Right.
And no one mugusi.
You better my Imra Swidge quickly and share and kete. Minister Babontin the abetu say, of course, if you marry Namni be, or mother, and to marry and Kokoni be. But the initiative, Obeka say, nay initiative, I be one mabuno into agri business. Say, or Mosudu Hobeshe, Kya Mama Bibia.
Mwenye Jamuana on Feso. No koba and a Jamuana Namano. but a policy they all start here it to be a mistakes but now was of asem we yet to say. That's what they are doing. Because from the beginning no mo ka say emfa nam ninja jamwan ye ka kire say policy we and to asum enam we udi jamwan na obeden obewe na mo akroya na mo sign mo last term na yewura Mahama ye mampani no mo akroya na mo sign dey another policy ba say mo ba benye confirm ye ka kire mo say kwan mo fa so ya ade no ebe wie na nyi mo na ogini fa wo hwan in West Africa and ebe boa de ben you wie na say okay gini fa na ko say mo ka kire yen say and you see Gen Z's no ya na me ya say omo mpese omo be follow so omo NDC ka kire yen say confirm no omo ye den omo tu Burkina Faso. This was the official response we were given. And NDC for ya san ba say omo ba be mam nkoko nketenkete ye ka kire mo say adewi enye wo de nam je jamo a obewe so ebe ye nkoko nketenkete a good idea o metwa sika twitwi di tens of millions of Ghana cedis e de acheche nkoko nkete me be de ntia me sha atade we and dem anko parliament ye ko field talk o ye adwuma bi me fi Ekwapem North district na eba ye ko interview nkofo ni bi okay bebre ka kire yen se o nkoko no o mawe me na me ka kire
o mo munya bi no
yes Mka chen say nkoko no edu baby cause feeding cry omo be feeding nkoko no omo ni se ska no nti kwesi ada bia omo fufu. I'm telling you on authority. Say minister no enya akukudura betna parliament ka chen say nkofo awe nkoko no ascending the videos we no srekan ho we no san ka chen say but ngonget green crab we say bo nkofo food nutrition nti it makes sense say o marry eto wasu.
And then in case I buy no a year right from the onset I went to me.
Me say Nemi Bay, me call poultry farm back Ekwapem North. A young man be big poultry farm. There are lots of poultry farmers around. So who per se who improve poultry production na. Near ujina chere no ano no. Ono na yema no kwan so onto because ono two to me kum aboa no. Omo eye poultry dead and omo ne so masin. Not say wa bechiche nkoko nketenkete amobi otifi a sebe sika kro de beto aduane ama akoko no oni ebro kro obeto ama akoko no nya u feel say den obe
wi an obe
wi akoko no ye kan this for say da omo no nyuma ede 24-hour economy say sika ya hye wo nkoko nketenkete say nya eka kofo awi omo ka kire ende boldly say kwasi ada bia omo fufu. The same thing no my 24-hour economy ho. Omo start here dey catch am say ade we policy no senior mo chechire policy no. Mo be wie no. Obie ni ho benye adwuma 133 amo say anopa Captain Smart be ko adwuma wi na ya titi akwa adwuma na nwumre eyi same jemfi akwa adwuma. That was the bold and e da omo call launch on manifesto pretty young lady. O man be John Beka chen say ye na sebe ye nti ase omo de omo ti ase na ye formula 133 one job 3 shifts 3 people mampani na nkasa be John on point watch no kire say that is the 24-hour money economic clock ye kan de be kanyina omo ba ba mu say parliament me kan mo de mo fa document no bra na ye hwe ne say so say 2 years na e be unim sika parliament are appropriate ama NDC are buying in 2 years
for
no, total appropriation.
Debbie.
650 billion Ghana cedis.
107.3
in 2 years. And this guy appropriate parliament, they are my NDC are buying. Say Onko Yejuma. Now who NDC chairman who constituency no? Omoji 650 billion ni we no. Who Obenya Yejuma 133 ni mo.
Debbie.
Who NDC women's organizer who a branch an award. Ombeji 650 billion cedis ni wie no. So I'm catch so when a coin ni ho financial clearance ni ho. Unim scared ya mom 650 billion. Obi me kancha me say me boa in 2 years. Wo ti ho no. Oba young girl na o wie school no. 133 say ombe mo obi akwa adwuma na junior de no. Oma mani bi aye. Inti policies troka. And antrone nada ni propaganda.
But Obeka say a process. Nya ye kan ya na koso. Nti ade nti aye mo bre na 2 years na aka no. Omu wie hu sampa omutimi ya na omantimi anye.
Mate, mfie na akwantu. Mfie mienu na eba na wie.
107.
Na me ka chose akohmasika ye de amom. na me catch you say 2 years on ni ehia no ma ya wie o me my example ade ba kwa na ehia no say on be pam chief justice omunya wie ma ya wie ade ba kwa na ehia no say on be set up tribunals say court no kra court ni nya adwumanti yemfa tribunals mbra ye president be appointing conform yensa 3 say no me atembuwa for PNDC time tribunals no yensa mfem review the bill number me no ka say at the parliament as at be 1 hour ago na omedu clause 4 person omo ya no mo pass tribunals enumerate use for say debi sa de ne de me yen try but omanya bre atna say draft tribunals bill meanwhile incentives say was empomu chichire de ba na parliament approve mamu na mo fen ko kire private sector na private sector ni bi mbebie 24-hour economy adwuma no omo unim po no mo de aba
na ya si secretariat
ehiam na mpanifo se agro beso a enwumra agro no se beso a ifia nopa na akufo ado amosi wanye hwe wo Ghana no obedi president 2017 January 7th unim se by September no start free SHS yes agro beso a ifia nopa NDC for almost 2 years. Ya property 650 billion Ghana cedis amount. So mo fenye ni eme hia om. Chede nipa ba ko a wanye adwuma under 133. Inti policy stroke and throw nada propaganda enyum settings. Say president nankasa tiwa no twa video. I say dunketi atiwa no so in phone twa video. Settings na content na no mo create say o enkwala ndi o mpe videos nti yenye hweda nsuo to ya nipa 37 ewe asase pono no mampani video na no te helicopter no hwede ya no ye tama ono atwe ni phone twa video yes ti eno ne amemu a yetim sisi
right
ena ukoka
yeah sure
yenche no ukoka yemfa nkotum ye money bill ukoka wa cassette abanti ye ma no 1 year don kodem and only Ghana no and only reset no. Meanwhile, key promises are making here. Agenda 111. 111 medical facilities are yesi. Nanka district be enya buying hospital accident nansente wote ya offense ya bi police officers 2 be we. Omunya accident. One of the reasons ntia omu yentumi amwa omne say district hospital ebewo accident and emergency no be prepared in perfume yetumi de nakoye the oxygen asim so ya no bibi no ebi ni ho na na esibi yesi aboso awie a plaster wie a wo se yetumi ye wie ne edi mfidie begum beye mu adwuma aban we said that enkan priorities on omo MP Vondi so utie o se denti no onkoye 24 onkoye agenda 111 e wa bra 24-hour market no ahye boss obeye no wo ho eno ne priority eno ne policy stroke
but market ni hia na
aba na wo ba ben mu no obi ye 1 district 1 factory National Development Planning Commission say factories beye 150 na eye adwuma under the program at the time MPP fia ben mu nyem na make on National Development Planning Commission report for 2024 see minimum 150 factories na eye adwuma. What kind of official government statistics are or say about 170,000 jobs and na wo when yami data o finance ministry for data mu wo buy no incentives are ebe ma no akọ anim no program no buy no si wetwam tin time to wetwam then na wo de buy be superior to no fine Ghana for to about mantifa bi papa e bro so bra wo so the 24-hour market na ba. Now referee said 24-hour market no. Let's just omo koton ade na ade no omo koton ha na manufacture. Say wumi the why any say wo pompe dollars go market no so nti so bi ko fa ne mafia bruchiri ba ne bo e forcing ne ma ya wo Ghana ha na Ghana kwala no te no be de nya adwuma ye. Nti afi de wo so wusi market ne enko kra ne ma beton na market no kro beton ade 24 hours. Na wo market na wo ho dada no ye ton ade 24 hours wo
go market no.
Ye ton ade 24 hours wo.
Dabi
market dada na wo ho no sika kakra nke won kofo ho man come de ato ade no also per se inflation ho ye fenti no wa prepare sika nyina fi krom with sterilization ama Bank of Ghana aboka ba wi sika ni krom bisa o ma edi dwo mbeka church obi ni store kro obi anto ade enu kra ye nto ade afi de usu besi market ama ya ton ade 24 hours wo nne be kreti adwuma me say NDC policy stroka ba o kan pe ida som de nyom ne asa ene be hia wo ana se ye be man kwala ye be di watem wo social media ana se ye hwe na mienu ni na anya adwuma de a ye nchew